Hello everyone, today in this video we are doing the question answer of your poem Lotus. In our previous video we have to be discuss its explanation. Now starting from the first question, choose the correct alternatives. The first one is who wrote the Lotus. ये कविता द लोटस जो है वो किसने लिखी है. द ऑप्शंस आर सरोजनी नायडू, तोरू दत्त, आर के नारायण, खुशवंत सिंह. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. Students, I will repeat it. The correct answer is option B. Toru Dutt is the writer of this poem, The Lotus. The next question is, reveals in the poem are. इस पोएम के अंदर जो रिविल हो रहा है, जो झगड़ा चल रहा है, वो किसके बीच में चल रहा था. द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द लोटस एंड द रोज. द सेकेंड वन इज द लिली एंड द लोटस. द थर्ड वन इज द लिली एंड द रोज. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज द लोटस एंड द love. The correct answer is the C, the lily and the rose. I repeat it, C option is correct for the second question, the lily and the rose. Third question, Flora is the goddess of. Flora जो है वो किसकी देवी है. So first इसमें आपको दिया है fruits, vegetables, flowers and milk. The correct option is the C. Flora is the goddess of flowers. Now come to the question number B. State the whether the following statements are true or false. Right, you can do it. The first one is Cupid came to Psyche to obtain flower. I repeat it. Cupid came to Psyche to obtain a flower. Cupid जो है वो साइक के पास जाता है या फ्लोरा के पास जाता है. तो ये साइक यहाँ पे रॉन्ग है. दैट्स वाई क्यूपिड जो है वो लव के लिए यूज़ किया गया है. तो लव किसके पास गया था फूल लेने के लिए. वो गॉडेस ऑफ फ्लावर के पास गया था. तो ये कह रहे हैं कि क्यूपिड जो है वो साइक के पास गया था. तो ये सेंटेंस जो है यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, फॉल्स हो गया है. सो यू विल राइट हियर फॉल्स. सेकेंड वन इज द लिली एंड द रोज क्वेरल फॉर द टाइटल ऑफ द सुपीरियर रेपुटेशन. कि लिली और रोज जो हैं वो उन दोनों के बीच में झगड़ा चल रहा था सुपीरियर रेपुटेशन को लेकर. सो इट इज़ ट्रू. Third one is the lily stands straight in pride like Juno. It is also true. The fourth one is Cupid first selected the flower of the lily. क्या Cupid ने पहले लिली के फूल को चूज़ किया था. False, उसने नहीं किया था. फिफ्थ वन is Flora gave the lotus to Psyche. फ्लोरा ने साइक को लोटस दिया. साइक को दिया था कि लव को दिया था. लव को दिया था. तो फ्लोरा गेव द लोटस टू साइक. इज इट फॉल्स. ये फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट है. सो यू कैन राइट डाउन हियर. द नेक्स्ट वन इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन अबाउट 30 to 40 words. So students, I can dictate you the answers, so you have to be note down in your notebooks. The first question is why did Cupid came to Flora. Cupid जो है वो फ्लोरा के पास क्यों आते हैं. तो आंसर लिखिए. Cupid came to Flora to get the queenliest flower. Queen list. QUEENLIEST. Queenliest flower. He wished such a special flower that should be delicious as rose and stately as lily. It should be red as rose and white as lily. I repeat it. Cupid came to Flora to get the queenliest flower. He wished such a special flower that should be delicious as rose and stately as lily. It should be red as rose and white as lily. Come to the next question. What were the cause of quarrel between the lily and the rose. लिली और रोज़ के बीच में जो झगड़ा चल रहा था उसका कारण क्या था. So write down the answer. There arose a dispute among the flowers in manner of a beauty contest. The rose and the lily had been rivals to get the status of the best flower for a long time. This was cause of quarrel. I repeat it. There arose a dispute among the flowers in the manner of beauty contest. the rose and the lily had been rivals to get the status of the best flower for a long time. This was the cause of quarrel. क्वेश्चन थर्ड, डिस्क्राइब द अपीयरेंस ऑफ लिली. लिली के जो अपीयरेंस था कि वो लिली कैसा दिखता है वो हमें एक्सप्लेन करना है. द लिलीज अपीयरेंस इज मैजेस्टिक, इट्स स्टेट लाइननेस रिफ्लेक्ट्स इट्स प्राइड, इट्स कलर इज वाइट. अपीयरेंस ऑफ लिली हैज़ बीन कंपेयर्ड द ब्यूटिफुल गुडनेस ऑफ जूनो appearance. Some poets criticized it by calling pale. The next question, that is describe the appearance of the rose. Appearance of rose we have to be described with the poet who admired the rose say that it is delicious, it is color is red, it's so beautiful that the love first choose rose red. It means that the rose is so beautiful, that's why the love had to be choose first it. Some poets criticize the rose that they say it can never tower like the lily. I repeat it, the poets who admire the rose say that it is delicious, its color is red, it is so beautiful that the love first choose rose red. Some poets criticize the rose, they say it can never tower like the lily. Come to the fifth question. Flora gave the lotus to Psyche. The fifth question is, how did Cupid hesitate in choosing the flower of the desired flower? कि Cupid जो है वो क्यों किस तरह से hesitate कर रहा था कि उसे कौन सा फूल चूज़ करना है. आंसर इज when goddess Flora asked Cupid, जब goddess Flora ने Cupid से पूछा about the color of his desired flower, first he chose red rose, then he said lily white, then he asked for the combination of the two. It shows his hesitation in choosing the flower's color. I repeat the answer again. When goddess Flora asked Cupid about the flower of his desired flower, first he chose rose red, then he said lily white, then he asked for the combination of the two. It shows his hesitation in choosing the flower's color. So this is the question answer of your 30 to 40 words. I hope that you have to be done it. The next question is question number D. Answer the following question is about 60 words. So it is not possible for me that I have to be dictated and you can be note down. So tomorrow I will give you the picture of these answers so you can note down. Explain the following lines with the reference to the context. These I have already done with the helping of the poem. So you have to be note down from there in my first video which is I am sending to you before this. So it's helpful for you that you can note down the answers.